Yeah. So over the last weekend, we had some work to do. We attended a couple of events. We had one event in KK, Durban, Gcwalisa Spring Picnic, and then we saw the likes of Big Zulu. Kuzani and the likes. So this is a build up to the event that will take place next weekend on the 2nd. That will be in Kings Park, Durban, if I'm not mistaken. So we'll make sure that we'll provide you with information during the week, building up to the weekend, and a lot of things will take place. We'll make sure that we go there. We'll be there. We'll bring it to you. We'll bring out the best of our gear. We'll attend the event. Yomakanga Tishela was recently made waves around Maskandi. We also saw Big Zulu. There was Kozani, who was the host of this event. We also like the way there's a guy there who is a Kitangoma, one of the dancers of Kozani. They call him Ntibani. He just got married, I think about a month ago. His brother had to fly back from a trip that he had to come and attend. And after the wedding, he had to go back again, Kozani, to attend whatever he was doing in Dubai. There is a young guy as well called Gcwalisa. This guy is making waves, and he actually won with the likes to be one of the artists that will be performing there. There is also a gospel guy called Nati, as well as Jumbo, that are performing there. We didn't get a chance to speak to any one of them, although we had some time to see what they were doing on stage as they were performing for the spectators there, or should I say for the crowd in the event. But there's something else that we've realized when there are events in Durban. There's always some clashes when it comes to the rules of the municipality and the event organizers, because this event had to be called off roughly about 6:30, which was surprising because now we had some artists that were due to perform as well, but they didn't manage to perform due to that. I believe maybe the organizers, they started the event late, stand to be corrected, and according to the municipality officials, they said it was supposed to be until 5 o'clock in the afternoon, but then they had to call it off because it was over the time that was allocated for it. So we don't know who's right, who's wrong, because we didn't get the side of the organizers. Kuzani fans were there. We also saw Ntencane. There was a lot of them, even though, but we're hoping that Gcwalisa Spring Picnic will be having fun there. So we could also see they've taken a lot of these influencers along, because we saw the likes of Mashudula and other ones. There were lots of ladies there, and we know them along the lines of TikTok. as well as other people that we know, like around the social networks. So that's it for today. I think I'll be seeing you soon. We'll continue to bring you more until kuze kubuye uNkulunkulu noma kubuye uJesu. Siyabonga.